Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on this eyeshadow look right here. This eyeshadow look is perfect for New Year's Eve, New Year's Day, and I decided to do silver today because I know that's a very popular color that day. So I know a lot of people love this color. I personally really like it and I love the way this eyeshadow look came out. So I hope you guys enjoy it, and let's go ahead and get started. For this eyeshadow look, I'm going to be using the Sultry palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills. I haven't used this palette in such a long time, so I decided to bring it out today. So the first eyeshadow I'm starting with is this eyeshadow called Slate, and I'm applying this on the crease. I'm also going to be applying this black eyeshadow on my crease as well. So I did go ahead and cut my crease. I also set it with translucent powder. After I finished doing that, I did go ahead and apply both colors I applied on my crease on the outer V of my eye. Now for my favorite part, of course, the glitter. So for primer, I did apply this one by NYX Cosmetics, and it's the glitter glue primer. So I just first apply that all over my entire eyelid. I'm moving on to my favorite part, which is the glitter. I'm actually using this glitter by NYX as well, and this is in the shade Silver. I'm gonna go ahead and apply primer, foundation, and concealer and all that, and I'll be back when I finish doing that. I'm just gonna go ahead and play some music so you guys could, relax and just watch me do my makeup. So this is the completed eyeshadow look. Let me know what you think down below. I'm so obsessed with it. If you recreate this eyeshadow look, let me know on Instagram because I'll love to see it. But right now I'm just going to be applying this liquid lipstick by Dose of Colors, and I wasn't sure if I wanted to do red lips or like a nude lip color, but I decided to do red because I feel like I never really do red lipstick, so I went with that. So after I finished doing that, this makeup tutorial is all completed.